Hello and welcome to today's video where I will be making slime because why not? So let's just get started. I hope you all enjoy my mini microphone because it's really great. Anyway, I'm gonna try and make that slime where it's like the one. Yep. Okay, so this bowl is really disgusting, but that's fine. So I'm only going to pour in like half, because, yeah, is that half? Okay, so now we have to activate it and start with my hollow pencil. So, that was too much. That slime took me like 5 years to activate it, but you know. So I think we just like... Okay. Whoa. Look at that. They're falling everywhere. Oh my god. Okay, so I got all the pearls in, but they keep like flying everywhere. But I'm just gonna go with it, and we're gonna add some glitter. Okay, well, that just happened. Oh my god. Okay, so I think this slime is finished, except it's not clear yet. So I'm just gonna put it in this container that I found at AC Moore. It was only $1. Yeah, it's pretty good information. Okay, so the next slime I'm gonna make is butter slime. As I'm making this, I'm going to tell you a story of something that happened to me today and yesterday. So my neighbors went somewhere, I don't know where, and they asked me to watch their dogs and let them out. So the first time I let them out, one of them pooped on the floor, and then I had to clean it up, so that was fun. And then when I went there this morning, they pooped again on the floor. Okay, let's activate it now. That should, I don't even know. Okay, I'll try and go in with my hands now. Oh my god. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. Okay, so I have Model Magic, and I think you're supposed to add lotion to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't really know how much. I don't think you're supposed to do that. I'll get back to you. Okay, so I added a bunch of lotion to the Model Magic, and now it's really stretchy, so I think that's a good thing. And so I'm just gonna add this in and see what happens. So I finished adding in the Model Magic, and it's really like, I don't know, hard, but I think I know what to do, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I filled this container with really hot water, and I'm gonna put the slime in it and see what happens. Ow. After I did that, it made it a lot more stretchy. And now I'm just going to add glitter. So, okay, so here's what it looks like all done. And I'm just going to put it in this container. And yeah. Okay, so it's a different day now. And I'm just going to show you what the slimes look like now. Here's the butter slime. It's kind of bad, but yeah. So here is the pearl one. It's more clear than it was, but yeah. This one's kind of good-ish, but it kind of hurts. So we'll put that back. So I guess that concludes this video. Sorry if it was boring, it probably was, but don't forget to dab on that subscribe button and hit that like button to join our Boo Bear squad. Love you, Boo Bears. Bye.